775th. I hope 800. Oh, it's not a gravel road. It looks like it is. Oh man. Oh man. Guys, and enjoy the ride with the wind. Yeah, it's pretty similar. Actually, we're gonna do a battery swap, guys, and we're gonna bring out the alien pants. We will need to lean the bike on something because yeah, it's just not doable, guys, when it's when you gotta hold the bike too. So alright. Hopefully the ditch is not wet. There we go. Okay, so yeah, 5% left, guys, but yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is also put on the old the second layer. I think I might put on the second turtleneck, or at least the I'm feeling, guys. Okay, anyways, well, we're gonna do a battery swap here, guys, so I'll put the camera down. Hasta la ciao ciao. Bye for now, over and out from the lovely country, Southern Illinois.